Dad! Are you okay?
Okay. Do you think I'm okay? You've got to be kidding me! You know what? Hey guys, let's do something. See these things? These are the pieces of crap that were in it. You know what?
Sorry, Dad, it was an accident.
What did you do?
It's because you become a bad person when you drink.
Chloe. Oh. Wait a minute, hold it. You're gonna get it! Ugh!
Dad!
What are you doing?
Oh!
Okay. It's time you became a man. Where's my raffle?
I don't think...
There it is.
Dad, watch out!
You scaredy cat?
Yeah, but you might shoot it off by mistake.
You know what? You're so weak. Let's just try this. Shut up, Junior.
Dad,
Junior! Ah! What the f?
I got shot by you.
Oh, sorry. What's up?
Dad, I'm bleeding a lot.
How about you come up with that idea?
I think a shirt would work.
Good idea.
My lucky shirt.
Maybe you should just wear those clothes. People always say to express yourself. Just express yourself.
Dad, I have some disinfectant in my first aid bag.
I would ask one of my friends, but it's too expensive.
Yeah, well...
Hey, look. Okay. How about we try this?
Whoops.
I hate you.
So what should we do in the summer?
Dad.
Don't you tell me I'm not, because I am. I guess I am.
Sorry, Mr. Bear, but my dad's a jerk.
Oral. Shut up. Oh. On the sun. On the sun. Turn off that light.
That's the sun.
Sun? No, sun. Huh? Oh, sun.
Dad, I'm hurt.
Yeah? Hey, buddy. Do me a favor. take your sleeping bag
Yeah.
and wrap it around my eyes, will you? Yeah. You're good. Yeah. Hey, morning.
Morning was 13 hours ago.
Miss the roosters, eh? High time for some breakfast.
I want to go home, Dad.
What? Why? What happened?
You shot me in the leg.
No, I didn't.
Look.
Oh, I don't remember that. So that means it's not my fault. Well, we should get you... Oral!
He's dead.
Shot?
Yeah.
Oh, Oral. Make me happy. Make me proud of you, son, and tell me that you shot that bear yourself.
No, Dad. You killed it.
Huh. I did? Okay, let's pack up and get you to Dr. Potter's wheel. He's perfect when it comes to keeping his mouth shut and just doing his job.
Stinky!
Here you are, Oral. Dr. Potter's wheel wants you to eat plenty of fatty food. It'll help your leg clot.
Thanks, Mom. Mom? Why did you marry Dad?
Why? Well, men have to marry women. Otherwise, if men married men and women married women, we'd all give birth to nothing but fairy sexuals.
But why did you marry Dad?
Oh, well. Why not?
Well, it's just that when he drinks, he changes.
Oh, he doesn't change, Oral. That's just his true nature coming out.
Nature. Hello, goodbye.